Do you have a thumb drive that's showing the wrong space? In this case, 8 gigs showing 32 megs. Let's get it back. Reclaim the lost space. All right, so let's go ahead and stick in our 8 gig thumb drive. Sure enough, it boots up as has boot, and it has a 31.9 meg capacity. Now, to verify what drive or disk, as our program will be referring to, let's go ahead and do Diskman and press enter. And if we maximize this, we can see right here on disk 2, we have has boot F drive, 32 meg. And over here we have on the same disk, this 7.43 unallocated space. So let's go ahead and do our run command. We'll type in DiskPart. And from here, list disk. So we can see that we have the same disk 0, 1, and 2 on both. So let's go ahead, select disk 2. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. Perfect. And now we need to clean. Now the device just said that I have an error. But if we come down here, we can see that the entire disk is showing unallocated. So we'll go ahead and continue, and we will say create partition primary. And it said DiskPart succeeded in creating the specified partition, and we can see that it has a healthy primary partition. From here, we can go ahead and left click, and we'll get these lines. And then right clicking, we can do format. It'll ask us what we want to name it. I'm just going to remove that. You can change your file system to however you'd like. I'm just going to leave mine at FAT32, default, and perform it quick. Hit OK. Yes, or I should say OK. And now it's done. So if we come back here, we can see USB drive F has 7.45 gigs free. So if you like this video, please let me know it and give it that thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell. You'll get the notifications and we'll all be happy. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.